Good morning, everybody. It's Lenny Bo with you. Well, I did a thing. I actually went ahead and built a computer. My other one took a shit, and it couldn't do any kind of editing or anything. It was old. So I started watching videos on YouTube, and this is what I came up with. It looks pretty dusty, but it's going to get some dust. I mean, it just attracts it instantly. It's a pretty dusty old house. We're doing a lot of work around here. But I went with my motherboard's MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. Went with the RX 7800 XT for my graphics card. I got the Ryzen 7 7700X for my CPU. I got a 240 millimeter water cooler for my CPU, and I had an extra fan running around, so I put it behind. This case has a place for a fan in the back. And then I went with the Dell curved monitor, 34 inch. God, it's freaking huge, man. I started watching videos, I said, hey, I need a computer. My daughter said, well, we got this other one. It's pretty fast. Well, okay, but it needs a case, so I ordered a case. Then it needed memory, so I ordered the memory. Then it needed a motherboard. I said, all right, that's it. I'm starting from scratch. I'm not going the old route. I went with AMD, though. Pretty proud of mine. This is the first time I've ever done anything, and I just used channels that are on YouTube. I used about 10 different channels, man. I used Scattervolt, This Bites For You, a few others. Mike's unboxing and reviews. And I like this case. It's a NZXT color shift. Sometimes see how it looks blue and then purple. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. But yeah, I'm getting dressed. I'm getting ready to go out and get on the shed. Sun's coming up. It'll be warmer today. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Hold what you got. Yeah, this is just going to be a quick video. I'm going to go ahead and upload it to a YouTube and just get it out there. Just wanted to show you guys what I did here. Pretty freaking proud of myself. I only screwed one thing up, and that was my USB 3 ports for, the front of the computer, where you can just plug into the front and either use it for charge or USB sticks, if you need to download something. And I screwed that socket up. I bent the pin, and I bent it so bad it just broke when I tried to straighten it up. So the only way to fix that is to pull the motherboard out, desolder that socket, and solder in another one, I reckon. But other than that, pretty proud of the way it turned out. Alright, you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Lenny out.